Hello and welcome back. Nifty continues with its positive undertone. Today it has attempted to test its all-time high of 18,888. Today it registered a high of 18,881, so it was almost there. But we saw a minor dip coming in, some profit taking setting in around those all-time high levels. So for the day, we are down from the top, but broadly speaking, the momentum is quite positive in the index. From last few days, we have seen that index is reluctant to go below its even its 5 days moving average, which is a very positive sign. And broadly speaking, the multiple average setup of 5, 13, and 26 days exponential moving average is also positively placed, and there is nothing to suggest that any reversal is likely in the near future. So things are looking very positive as far as technical setup is concerned. 5 days average itself is tilted higher. In fact, for that matter, 5, 13, and 26 days, all of these three averages are tilted on the higher side. So the broader undertone of the market is quite positive. The separation between these average clearly highlight the positive undertone, the strength of the current trend. So things are looking very positive as far as technicals are concerned. On weekly chart also, we can see that Nifty has been maintaining about its 5 weeks moving average for quite some time now, and if it manages to surpass its all-time high of 18,888, then we could see the index picking up more momentum on the higher side. But it is likely to face some resistance around those areas, like 18,888, which was its all-time high. So we need to see how things progress. But broadly speaking, the higher top, higher bottom sequence that we have been witnessing for last few days, few weeks, or few months, I can say, is still continuing, and there is no sign of reversal. So for the time, we can stick with the strategy of buying on dips, because until and unless we get any confirmation of reversal of the trend or some sort of weakness setting in the index, we are not we won't advise you to go short in the index. So things are looking quite positive as far as technicals are concerned. As far as support and resistance are concerned, in the very short term, the index is likely to take support around 18,700 750 zone, which is its 5 days moving average zone. Below that, the next support for the index lies around 18,600 650 zone, which is 13 days exponential moving average. So on the downside, things are not looking very bad. Even if some kind of dip sets in, then it is likely to like the dip is likely to get restricted around 18,600 650 mark in the very short term. On the higher side, like I said, 18,888 would be the hurdle for the index, and after that, the momentum is likely to pick up, and in that case, index could test 19,180 19,250 zone on the higher side. So things are looking quite positive here. As far as bank nifty is concerned, the bank nifty is a bit sluggish as compared to nifty index, because the broader technical setup of the bank index is quite positive as far as weekly charts are concerned. But as far as daily charts are concerned, we have been witnessing the consolidation in the zone of 44,500 400 on the higher side, and on the lower side 43,500 600. So this is the area, this is the zone that the index has been maintaining for quite some time now. We need to see how things progress here, but there is some weakness that is setting in from last 2-3 days, because the index has not been maintaining above 44,200 for last 4-5 sessions. So that is going to be a immediate hurdle for the index. It is nudging around its 5 days moving average. It has already broken its 13 days moving average, which is a slightly negative thing as far as very short term movement of the index is concerned. On the lower side, major support for the index lies around 43,400 and 43,250 marks. On the higher side, like I said, 44,200 would be the first hurdle, and after that 44,500 would be the second hurdle. So we need to see how things progress here, but there is some weakness that could be seen on daily chart, or even for that matter, if we check the hourly chart of the index, there has been consistently a lot of lower bottom formations taking place from last few days. So we need to see how things progress here going forward. But broadly speaking, the broader setup of the bank index is still positive. Nifty, there is nothing even in the short term to suggest that there is some kind of weakness. So everything is positive as far as Nifty's technicals are concerned. Bank Nifty is showing some weakness in the very, very short term. Standard warning. Please note that investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.